For today's face mask, we need rice minus 3 tablespoons of rice and 1 tablespoon of flaxseed. Pour 200 milliliters of water into each and leave it for 2 hours. Then, grind the rice and flax seeds together with water in a blender and filter the mixture. Pour the resulting liquid into a pan and bring it to a boil. Cook on low heat for only 1 to 2 minutes, stirring constantly until you get a rice flax porridge. Remove the pan from the heat and let it cool slightly. Divide the resulting rice flax porridge into 2 parts. To begin with, let's make a mask for dry, normal, and sensitive skin. Add half a teaspoon of shea butter, known for its rejuvenating effect on the skin. Search and buy shea butter if you don't have it. While the rice flaxseed porridge is hot, mix in shea butter. This mask is ideal for drying, normal, and sensitive skin. It tightens the skin well, making the skin's collagen layer elastic, tightening sagging skin, and erasing wrinkles. Add 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. You can use natural aloe vera gel from Whiten. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly. The face mask for dry skin is now ready. This mask also whitens the skin and makes it silky. Now let's make a mask for oily and combination skin. Add 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel, 4 to 5 drops of vitamin E, and 1 teaspoon of 3% oxygenate water. If desired, you can also add vitamin E to the mask for dry skin. The mask for oily skin is also ready. Now, let's apply the masks. First, clean the skin. Apply all masks and peels to cleanse skin, covering your face, neck, gullet, and hands. The mask feels very soft and silky on the skin. It's suitable for very dry and sensitive skin, while the second mask is suitable for oily and combination skin. After applying the mask, lie down for 30 minutes. Then wash off the mask with warm water and cleanse your face with facial cleanser. Afterward, wipe the skin with toner and apply moisturizer. In the morning, apply sunscreen to your face, along with moisturizer. The mask whitens the skin, tightens it, and eliminates wrinkles. Rice and flaxseed are the foundation of Korean and Japanese skincare. Apply the mask 3 times a week. To store the rest of the mask, transfer it to a container with a lid and keep it in the refrigerator for 1 week. The amount of mask prepared will be enough for you for 1 week. And just to clarify, rice does not cause hair growth on the face and skin.